again with my new recipe. Today's recipe is perfect for unannounced guests. These are dhoklas, bread dhoklas. You can make them in 5 minutes. They are time saving and everybody appreciates it. Now I'm showing you all ingredients. These are 6 pounds besan, chas, garlic and green chili paste, curry leaves, turmeric and salt. With 1 pound you need 2 green chilies and 4 pods of garlic. So according to that you must make the measurements. Cut all the pounds into 4 pieces each. We are taking these 2 glasses of chas into the container. I am adding 2 tablespoons of besan. This is garlic and green chili paste. Put some turmeric and some salt. Stir it properly. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilies. Stir it properly. And now my next step is, I've stirred besan so well there are no lumps anymore. Now dip all the pounds and go on keeping them. We have soaked these and left it for 5-7 minutes. They are nicely soaked, and now I am going to give vagar to these dhoklas. One point I wanted to add, that chas is not very patla consistency. It's thick and nice so that all the masalas stick to the bread properly. Take 3 tablespoons of oil. Put 2 spoons of rye. Let it pop nicely. Now the rye has popped. I am putting some jeera, some hing and besan. Add some curry leaves. Let it become very red. now start adding dhoklas. Friends, you saw how easy it is to make. If it is a lot of quantity, please make it into 2 batches. Please try it at home, and if you like it, give me comments in a comment box. Bye for today. See you all in my next video.